with the last 24 hours on our star. While the next short cycle uptick trend is expected to arrive later this month or early November, there's no mistaking the quiet here in between. Solar flaring has been low, the eruptions of filaments have been small and not aimed at Earth. We'll still be monitoring those active region sunspots and the filaments, which are numerous on the Earth-facing side of the sun right now. Otherwise, we're enjoying the brief break that we're seeing. Here is that storm we previously mentioned off the coast of Mexico. It is rapidly intensifying and expected to reach major hurricane status just offshore and then bend to the tip of Baja, expected to continue onward to main continent landfall. Folks, our top story requires some background. Every 6,000 years, Earth appears to have had a geomagnetic excursion event, with the 12,000-year cycles being much more dramatic. With Earth's magnetic field weakening and the magnetic poles shifting again now, we had long asked the question of where was the event 6,000 years ago? Did the Earth skip it? We had pointed to paleo-intensity records showing how there was a dip in field strength during that time, even if different sediments recorded slightly differently, definitely a lower field state. We had seen the other evidence that tends to come along with these geomagnetic excursions, the volcanic upticks, the tropical hydroclimate events, and the green Saharan episodes, all there. And then finally, at the end of last year, they began officially calling it an excursion. Amazing that the last event 6,000 years ago was actually the last to officially be discovered and named. We had been saying to watch for other scientists finding additional evidence of that excursion, and now we've got it. New analysis out of Russia shows the geomagnetic excursion clearly and puts it right at the time we expected. They did look at carbon isotopes, but also uranium and thorium. That is a major win for the team. Folks, with this confirmation, we can now complete the timeline, which actually goes back much further than this. But alas, and most importantly, we have confirmation of the 6,000-year event 6,000 years ago. And of course, it is time for another one right now, and that's exactly what we're seeing with the geomagnetic field. It's the topic of our new book, coming soon, meant to be the simplest version we've ever made, consumable for everyone. Pre-orders will start on my birthday for those who know when that is.